Hi guys, in this video, I will tell you the difference between PNG and JPG file images format, or in the long form, we say JPG as JPEG also. So let's begin. The first difference between JPG and PNG file format is the full forms. The full form of PNG is Portable Network Graphics, and JPG as well as JPG stands for Joint Photographic Experts Group. And the second difference between them is the compression algorithms. JPG uses lossy compression algorithm, whereas PNG uses lossless compression algorithm. The third difference between PNG and JPG is the image size. As you all know, JPG image is generally smaller than PNG images of same image, and PNG image is generally larger than JPG image of same image. And the fourth difference is the image quality. JPG image may lose some image data causing quality loss, but PNG image is of high quality. It does not lose any quality over exporting the image as PNG file. The fifth and the main difference is the transparency. As you can see, the JPG image appearing on your screen is not transparent, but the PNG image is transparent on the background, because JPG image is like drawing on a white paper, but PNG image is like drawing on a transparent sheet. And the sixth difference is the extensions. JPG image uses .jpg or .jpeg in the extension, but PNG image uses .png extension. And now the last and the most important difference is the uses. JPG images are used in photography, but PNG images are generally used in icon creation, because if you will see the icon in a transparent background in your desktop, then you can easily view the icon on your screen. If you have any question on this, you can comment on the comment box. And if you know more differences between JPEG and PNG file image format, then feel free to comment on the comment box. So, thanks for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share.